Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add another column to a table in Google Docs. So in here, I've already have a table, and let's say I want to add a new columns in here in between the first and second column. So what you need to do is just click on one of the columns in here and then right click, and there will be this option, insert column left or right. But since I want to add a column in between these two, so I'm going to choose right, insert column right. So just like that, a new column will be added. But if you want to go add the ends in here, you can also do the same, right click and insert column. So that's pretty easy, and thank you so much for watching. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.